Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rishabh and today we are going to start how to start learning calligraphy. So what is calligraphy? It's an artistic way of writing where you turn your handwriting into art. It's not just about writing beautifully, it's also a relaxing and therapeutic activity. Why should you start learn calligraphy? Firstly, it helps to improve your concentration and patience. Secondly, it's a creative outlet that allows to express your thoughts and emotion. And thirdly, it's a great skill to add to your creative toolkit. To get started, you will need some basic material. First, brush pen or nib pen. These will be your main tool. Second, smooth paper. This helps the ink or pen glide smoothly. Third, practice sheets. You will need these for practicing stroke and letters. Now let's start with some tips. Tip number 1. Use the right tool. Begin with beginner-friendly brush pen like Doms and Camlin. Tip number 2. Practice basic strokes. Start by practicing basic strokes. These are the foundation of all letters. Tip number 3. Be patient. Learning calligraphy takes time. Practice a little every day and you will see the improvement over time. Online tutorials, book and workshop can be very helpful. Now there are plenty of free sources available on YouTube and other websites. Joining a good community can be beneficial. You will get the feedback and motivation. So they are the basic steps to start learning calligraphy. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what other topic do you like to see. See you in the next video and until then keep practicing and stay creative. Bye.